Hello, you welcome back to the Tech Blogger. Don't forget to like, comment, and share all our videos for people who might need the tutorial. Today, we'll be talking about something very important for many of us that are using Excel. I'll be talking about how to calculate expiring date in Excel. Let's say, for example, you are into manufacturing and you are manufacturing things that can expire. That is there's a perishable item. That means you are into a manufacturing and you are producing perishable items. Okay, and you have somebody working for you that is taking care of all the stocks and every other thing like that, and you want to know the expiring date so that the clerk or the person in charge or the secretary, whosoever that you have employed to be taking that position, and then you want that person to note all the expiring date of all the product you've manufactured. Okay, this is what you're going to do. Now, that is how to calculate manufacturing or expiring date in Excel rather. Now, the first thing we're going to do here is that let's have a serial number, that is SN. Then we move to the next side here. We want to have a product, that is the products you are manufacturing. Let's say products. Then the next one we'll be talking about here is let's say manufacturing date or production date, whatever I like. Let me use production date. Production date. Then after that, let's say we have expiring month, and after that, let's say we have expiry date. Now we have all this. Then let me click on this so that it's going to enlarge this, then enlarge this, expiring dates, expiring month, double click. Okay, I have all these with me. Let me zoom a little bit. I have all these. Yes, then number 1, number 2 in Excel. Once you have gotten 1 and 2, if you click on it, the first one, that's number 1, you click again, you press your mouse key down to click, and after that, if you come down here where this dot is showing here, we're talking about this green one. Let me zoom it down a little bit again. Then if you drag down, you can get from 1 to 1 million or more, but I want to get from 1 to 5 for this tutorial purpose. I don't want to do more than 5. Okay, what are the products that we want to, let's say you are doing cake business, for example, and you have flour, you have sugar, for example, you have nutmeg, you have okay, that too is okay. You can fill all that for the tutorial purpose because I don't want it to be too long. Then production date. Let's say we produce this, and one thing you should take note of is this F column. You want to use it for production dates. That means everything, all the data that will be inside this F column, I want them to be in dates and time. Or let's say we have long date, we have short date, but I want to use long dates. I just click here from the F, I click on it. That means it's going to highlight all the column from F down to the last part of the F. So you get. Now the next thing you're going to do is come to your home tab. We are already in home tab. Under this general that is showing here, click on it and click on long date. I'll prefer long date because I want it to show Sunday 12 1920. You understand? I click long date. That means all the data that I will be putting here will be in long dates, unlike general that I have here. Let everything be in general, but if you want to use for date, time, and some other function like that, it's better you put them in the function that you want to use. Okay, I want this to be in long date. I say okay, the production date for this flour is 12th of July, let's say 2000, year 2000. Press enter. You can see it has changed it to Wednesday 12th of July, year 2000. Then the expiring month. This product after production we put 5 months. That is, in the next 5 months this product is going to expire. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do here is that expiring date. Now we want to get calculation here. We want to get the right formula to use. Now we want to add this production date and the expiring date together. This is where we use the e-date. It's called something e-date function. This is what we'll be using, e-date function. Now, how am I going to get this? To get the e-date function, the first thing you're going to do if you want to get formula in Excel, the first thing you're going to do is to press your equals to sign, because without equals to sign, you will not be able to get any formula that you want to use in Excel. The first thing is equals to sign. Equals to sign, what am I going to do? And I say e-date. You can see e-date. I click on it, double click on it, then it's going to give you the function. Now the start date is telling you to pick the start date. I click on this to select the start date. I click on the start date, that is the production date. You can see it. Then I press comma. Then after pressing comma, it asks me to click on month. Then this is the month, expiring month. I click on it also. And after that, I close the bracket and I press enter. Now, if you look at this, giving me 336,872 because I need to change the expiring date also. The same way I did for the production date. I changed the expiring date to something like I'll change it from general to long date as well. I click on it. You know what I said that we should do initially, what we did here. I click on it from here, from the H. It depends on where your own function is. Your column is. Your own might be in F or G, wherever you put it, but mine is H. I click on H here, then I come down here from general, I change it to long day. You can see it's going to change it from that 36 something to Tuesday 12th of December 2000. That means the production day is Wednesday 12th of July. Now if you now count it from July to December, that's 5 months. July, August, September, October, November, December, that's 5 months. That is how you get it. That is how you calculate it. Are you getting it? Okay. Now what we need to do now is that we've done for this, we've gotten answer for the, if you look at the formula bar, it's going to show the function that we use to get that answer. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. After getting one answer, I just click on it and I click on this what's it called, this small box, that green box. I click on it and I drag that. It's going to change to plus, so that it's going to give me answer for others. All these ones are not correct until I put the right one. Okay, let's say for sugar, we said the production date for this sugar is 14th of August to 2025, for example. Then after in 7 months or 8 months, it should expire. That means it's going to change it to the right answer here. Let's do for nutmeg. Let's say 20th of May. Let me use May, year 2025. Enter. Then in the next 10 months, it should expire. You can see before it's showing Tuesday 20th of May 2025. If I press enter now, it's going to give me the right answer, which is Friday 20th of March 2026. Now this is how you're going to do it. Then the next thing I'm going to do now is that I want to format this table. That means I want to add something to it. I think I've talked about formatting before in one of my videos. That is when you format, when you change the appearance of something. Okay, I highlight all this, everything together. Highlight everything, then I come down to format as table. You can pick any of your choice here, but I'll prefer using this. After that, you leave this as it is, my table as headers. Let it remain checked like this, and I click on OK. Now you can see I formatted it. I've added another effect to it so that it will look more attractive. You can see I can filter this. I want only 1 to 3 because I don't do for 4 and 5. Let me leave it as 1 to 3 only, and I click on OK. That is, I filter it out. You can see this. This is how we do it. This is how you can achieve it. I think we have learned something today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. God bless you. The Tech Blog. Thank you.